makeup on, you guys. I'm on vacation in Florida. I'm from Florida, but I don't live here anymore. And I went out in the sun, y'all. I burned myself to a bloody crisp. My whole body is like peeling off, including my face. So if I'm itching myself, I am so sorry. And all of my makeup also, you know, on top of those issues that I'm having, does not match my skin tone. So I can't really put on makeup. I have like some mascara, but you can't really tell. So yeah, in today's video, y'all, I am gonna talk about my new bag, my unboxing. I bought 3 bags since being here. I don't need these damn bags, but they're coming. They might come with me. I'm debating on which ones I want to keep. I think I'm going to keep this one that I'm unboxing, so that's why I'm showing it, because I like this one the most. But I'm going to be talking about Coach, and I'm going to be unboxing the bag that I got. I feel like Coach has rebranded itself and it's becoming the new it girl right now, the affordable it girl. I've talked about this many times before, that there are like tiers to luxury, and I feel like Coach, Michael Kors, there might be some other brands to sprinkle, Kate Spade, what are some, Tory Burch, those are like the lower end, but they have amazing quality products, I feel like, for the price points. You get sometimes an all leather bag for a couple $100 or less than a couple $100 or less than $500, and I'm just like, these look awesome. The rebranding is doing amazing. I also love the celebrities that they are using to rebrand. They have Megan Thee Stallion, Michael B. Jordan, Sierra. I'm like, oh my gosh, they have something for everyone. So yeah, I really like what they're doing with the brand right now. I think everybody's talking about this. Everybody on the internet that's talking about Coach has said that they love the rebranding, and I feel like when you are a brand that wants to progress, you have to rebrand in some way, shape, or form. It's not the pillow bag before all of y'all. I mean, I probably put it in the title, but it's not the pillow bag. It's actually a different bag that doesn't match anything, but it's sort of pink. This is the box it came in. I was honestly shocked by the box, you guys. And if you, did I unbox something out of the box from Louis Vuitton? I think it was my toiletry pouch. You actually saw the box, but Coach, y'all, went a step further. Look at this. Wait, oh, you can't see it. Y'all can't see it, but look at that. Louis Vuitton who? They even put like a cute little wrapping paper, or I don't know what this is. It is paper with a sticker. I opened it already and looked at it, so they have a dust bag in here. Like, I am honestly shocked by the quality. Are y'all ready to see what I got? It's a very summery bag. I feel like this is gonna be my summer bag. It came like this. I told you guys I opened the box, but I haven't like opened the bag. This is like the first time I've looked at the bag and all that good stuff. But this is the Coach CASSIE 19, I believe. I don't think it's the 26. I could be wrong. Maybe I am, but I do think it's the 19. Y'all, tell me this is not cute. Tell me this is not me, that this doesn't match my person. A pink, neutral, there's like other pinks, burgundy. I feel like this is an amazing summer bag. Oh, I love it. Y'all are probably wondering why I have so many bags. I don't wear them, but for me they're like decoration as well. Some people buy plants, some people buy pictures, I buy purses. I'm seriously gonna put these all in my living room, around the TV and stuff, hanging from places, just as decoration. No, but I was very excited because I feel like Coach is having a sale right now. I think it's 30% off until May 9th. Maybe this video goes up before May 9th, I don't know. And this was part of the sale, and I was very excited to get it because I have been seeing everyone talk about Coach. Everyone's been talking about the pillow tabby or tassie, I don't know what bag it is. I'll put a picture, and I like it. I love the way it looks, but for me, I feel like this matches my personality a little bit more, and the pink that they have in that bag is a little too in your face pink. And also, I've been watching a lot of videos that compare this bag to the Pochette Métis from Louis Vuitton. I never liked the way the Pochette Métis looked from Louis Vuitton. I don't know, it just looked too businessy for me, and I don't know, too bulky. And this, I feel like, is a smaller version of the bag, and it's leather. I don't know, I didn't like the canvas in that bag. I feel like canvas for certain people goes for certain bags, if that makes sense. I love the Pochette Métis and Empreinte, but when you're talking about this compared to that, it's like a $1,800 plus difference, or $2,000 difference. So I'm like, this will serve its purpose of the same exact, I guess, compartment folder type bag. So yeah, I think I'll take off all the plastic and wrapping for you guys. So hold on 1 second. Okay, so this is what the bag looks emptied out. There's some areas where I couldn't get the stuff off, you guys. I'm sorry, I don't have scissors with me or near me, and I didn't want to get up to get them, so you might have to deal with a little paper, but this is what it looks like from the inside. Y'all also want to know what I'm excited about? This chain. I would have paid just for this chain like extra money, because I'm gonna use this for my other bags that I want to take out at night, because I have like long crossbody bags, but I would like a shorter chain just to have like a cute little, I don't know, shoulder bag, but I don't think this will fit on my fat shoulder, but still it's cute. This gold is like a vintage type gold. It's like brushed, I don't know, it's not really a bright gold, and I like that. It reminds me of the Gucci gold, like this vintage, nice, cute, bronzy type color. And yeah, it's in a really awesome bag, you guys, and the smell is amazing. And I'm honestly shocked at the quality of this purse for how much I paid for it. I think one of the complaints that I have just looking at this bag, you know, right now without trying it out or anything like that, the compartments are awesome. As you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, technically 4 compartments with the one on the back. The only problem is that the one on the back right here and the one on the back on the inside back here, they share the same space. I mean, that's inevitable. A purse can only be so big, especially like this. And I feel like if you put something in this pocket, you won't be able to put anything in this pocket, and vice versa, because then it'll be taking up way too much space. And it might make the bag lopsided, which isn't cute. I'm really like in love with this bag, you guys. I'm honestly shocked at how awesome it is. I'm looking at the stitches and stuff to see if they're nice and, you know, lined properly, and they really are, which is really nice and shocking. This is awesome craftsmanship for the price when comparing it to other bags and other brands. Oh my gosh, and it's so cute. My mom said it was the ugliest color block combination that she's ever seen, and my boyfriend said it was the worst color block combination that he's ever seen. But I don't care. I think this is the perfect summer bag. It has every color that you need, especially for my, you know, wardrobe that I have in my closet. This matches perfectly. Also, I will try to put in mod shots on me. If I don't put it on me, I will put it on other people, or show pictures at least. I'm 5'8", 5'9", and I'm like a wider, heavier set person, and for me it fits relatively well on my body frame, I feel like. And I feel like it's not like too small. It's not technically a mini bag to me. Like, this is a little bit bigger, a lot more spacious than my Gucci Dionysus mini, and for me that's a mini bag. My Chloe is a mini bag. My favorite from Louis Vuitton is a mini bag, and this I feel like fits so much more. The Gucci, what was it, the Gucci Chevron Matte Lachey, what is it? I don't know what the heck that bag is. The brown one that I got from Gucci. This is bigger and can hold a lot more stuff than that bag. So like I say, I don't think it's a mini bag per se, even though the bags that I just named are mini, and it's almost the same size but a little bit bigger. But for me, it's like a small bag. There's like mini, small, medium, and large, and I feel like this is small. Like I said, I'm in love with Coach. I bought another bag from Coach. I might show it to you guys. It didn't come with a box because I got it from the outlet, but I'm honestly shocked at what it is and how much I paid for it, y'all, because the bag is awesome. It's amazing. So yeah, if you like this, you can let me know. If you tried out Coach, you can also let me know if you like their rebranding. If you don't, everyone has their own preference, but for me, this is amazing. But yeah, I'm really happy with the brand. Coach, thank you for putting out awesome products that are really cute, really pretty, very girly, very feminine, but also practical, you know, multifunctional, multi-use. You can take off the strap. It can be a crossbody shoulder body strap. It can be just a chain strap. Like, this is giving me multifunctional. This is giving me multi-purpose. This is giving me business, night out, you know, brunch. It's giving me all of that, and I'm so excited about this when stuff opens back up and I can have cute outfits with my cute little bags. Also, I got this for a fraction of the price that it is in Germany. I live in Germany, y'all, which is, you know, one of the biggest reasons why I bought it, because I saw this bag in Germany and I think it was like 400 euros, and I was like, that's a lot of money. And here I got it for like pennies compared to that. And I was like, hey. So yeah, this is the bag. Sorry that I'm rambling, you guys. I really like it. I really enjoy Coach right now, and I'm very excited for what they have in the future planned. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and bye.